A short video on how to use the Zendesk Agent with Dialer Extension. The Agent with Dialer Extension allows an agent to take part in dialer campaigns that have been set up and are controlled by the manager from within the Euphoria TMS. To start, click on the phone icon to open it. Add the account username and password to log in. Once logged in, the option to use Auto Register and/or WebRTC will show. Selecting Auto Register allows the login page to be skipped, whilst automatically using the credentials supplied when opening the application. Users on Apple products, Chromebooks and Linux operating systems should use WebRTC. Otherwise, when using Microsoft Windows, the external client is the recommended option. For this option, leave the WebRTC box unchecked and continue. The external client will open and show that it has registered successfully. Calls can now be received. When a call comes in, the caller's details will appear in a preparation window, giving the agent an opportunity to familiarize themselves with the caller's information. During a call, the caller has two controls within the preparation window and several controls on the phone itself. The preparation window controls include hold and mute. To access the controls on the cloud phone, click outside the preparation window to minimize it. The cloud phone controls include the dial pad button. This can be used to dial another number manually or to navigate an IVR menu. The hold button, which is used to put a caller on hold, for example, to ask a colleague for assistance, as well as to make an attended transfer. The volume control slider, which will adjust the volume. The conference button, to add multiple lines to a single call. The transfer button for transferring the call to other parties. The speaker button to use the loudspeaker on the device. The mute button, which will silence your input. The notes button, to add information about the call or caller. And the hang up button that ends the call. When creating a conference call, press the call tab and dial an additional recipient. Once the recipient answers, the conference button can be used to add all the lines to one call. With transfers, a call can be transferred to an internal destination, like a colleague, or an external one, such as a mobile phone. Click on the transfer button and dial the number to transfer to. During a transfer, there are two options. An unattended or blind transfer. This is when the call is transferred without speaking to the intended recipient first. Or an attended transfer. This allows the agent to speak to the recipient before transferring the caller. Navigate back to the preparation window to make notes as well. Once the call is ended, a disposition window will open. Here, the agent will choose a call outcome category, the outcome, and additional notes can be made. There are 3 ways to continue once the disposition has been added: submitting the disposition and waiting for the next call, submitting the disposition and pausing all calls, or submitting a disposition and logging off. When a submit only option is chosen, the agent will automatically be available for the next call. All statistics, dispositions and notes from calls made and received are available for managers in the TMS in Q Analytics. Thank you for watching.